Okay, Maddie. So to start the cup, the colors that I'm going to use are white, violet, blue, orange, and then white on top. I was pretty happy with that tone. Um, there's going to be some variation between the colors you use and if you have a printed version versus a image on the computer. So if my colors are a little different than yours, not a big deal. We're really going for value. So I started by putting a white base everywhere over the whole cup. And then I used my blue violet to create the shadowed areas of the cup. What I'm going to do to tone the blue violet now is use my orange. And I'm going to try to kind of match the amount of blue violet I have on there. So where it's a little darker, or actually darker is probably not the best word. So here it appears darker, but really it's more just more blue there. I'm going to add more orange. Where if it's like a little less blue, I'm going to add less orange. The way that I handled the reflection and the shadow on the surface of the cup was I just had done a blue base, and then I looked at where it looked a little darker to me, and I added those shapes in. So you can see kind of the shadow here. And then I just went from there. So I'm going to probably record, I'm going to mute my sound for a little bit because it's going to take me a little while to do this. As I put the orange on top, probably go back in with the blue violet, just to kind of make sure that they're even, so it's equal mixture. And then I'm going to add my white on top. So you'll probably just watch me do this in silence because it's a kind of a long time to talk. I would suggest less is more, and you can always add. So don't feel like you have to press so hard. And if you find that you are pressing really hard, just come further back on the pencil. It really will help. All right. So I notice it's a little too blue, so I'm going to go back in with my orange and possibly some sienna brown just to neutralize it.